Have you been battling with creating captivating YouTube thumbnails? Well, join me as I try to create stunning AI-generated YouTube thumbnails in seconds. If you're new here, I'm Mr. and I'm here to help you level up your content creation game. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, let's use the services of ChatGPT to generate our thumbnail description if you don't necessarily have anything in mind. And then we will learn about the important details we need to generate our thumbnail prompt when we want to be more specific, which is very important. Anyways, right now let's type in this prompt. Generate 5 captivating background descriptions for Adobe Firefly to help me create an aesthetically pleasing YouTube thumbnail with me in the center of the thumbnail. This is us just trying to generate random backgrounds for our thumbnails with an image of us in the center of the YouTube thumbnail. Now, ChatGPT has generated some thumbnail descriptions we can use in Firefly. If we want more, we tap the regenerate icon. But to be more specific, these are the most important details to be included when creating a thumbnail. What is the topic of the video, the vibe of the thumbnail, color, theme or scheme, specific text or phrases, and a brief description of your appearance or style you would like represented for you in your actual image if your actual image isn't provided. So yeah, let's create our thumbnail using Firefly. Tap generative fill. Then we go ahead to upload our image. Now we tap select background since we want the entire background changed. And then we can now type in our preferred background description. Once that is done, we tap generate. We now have 3 backgrounds generated for us. If we don't like what we see, we tap more, or we can tap on any of the images, then tap keep. And then go ahead to tap the download icon above. Afterwards, we can add any text or sticker in our editing software. So yeah, I believe that was straightforward. If you have any specific questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. Also, if you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and check out my other videos for more tips on staying creative and progressive on your content creation journey. Thanks for watching and we'll catch up in my next tutorial.